What?
Hi, my name is Carly Chant from Build On Bookkeeping, and we've just finished a session with Master Strategists with Bee Business. Tonight was really great. We had the opportunity to ask specific questions around our social media, return on investment for social media, which is a challenge that we face, and getting some expert opinion was really great, and things that we can look up immediately and implement immediately, which is really good. Looking forward to getting some of our clients along because a lot of small, medium business face very similar problems, and it's great to get that vibe around the room and hear other people's issues that are very common across all small to medium businesses. So thoroughly enjoyed tonight.
When you're ready.
Hi, my name is Dennis Carlisle from Inspect Report. I company does energy assessments and carbon footprint evaluation on businesses. I was invited along to Bee Business a couple of weeks ago, and I thought this should be interesting, but I wasn't too sure what I was going to be in for. And I must say I came away with an outstanding appreciation of what John is doing here. I'm sure it'll move my business forward from where it is. And it was just incredible that a whole collection of people all got similar problems or different ideas that I've got, and we can put all this together, amalgamate it and take the best out of it for myself, and fantastic. I recommend it for anyone to come along and have a look.